Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can restore streaks without paying over on Snapchat. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open up your Snapchat application on your mobile device and make sure it's updated to its latest version. After that, you will be redirected to the app's homepage where you can capture snaps and send them to any of your friends. Now go over to the chat section of your account and choose the account you want to restore snap streaks with. Currently, there's a feature on Snapchat that offers free restoring up to 5 times per month, which means that you can restore streaks 5 times a month for free. Now to restore, simply tap on the red restore button and confirm the restore. That's how you can restore streaks without paying. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.